Yeah, so I'm deleting the video about Florin Coin and Overstock and that sort of thing. There's some stuff going on with Overstock in that T0 deal, but I'm not able to find anything on the FLO coin or Florin coin. Um, any kind of partnership, or they're using the Florin coin blockchain. Um, and as I did that video, after I did it, somebody texted me that I know pretty well, and someone related to their family works at one of said businesses, I won't say which one, and said absolutely not, they're not using that FLO coin for this, the blockchain. And I mean, if you just search for, Florin Coin T0 or Florin Coin Overstock.com or any of that, like, not not finding it, any kind of connection whatsoever. There's just nothing there. So I don't want to leave my video up for that reason. Someone may jump in there and see that and think it's, gospel, and it might not be. So me, going to remove that video, which it's already gone as of me talking to you right now. It's already been deleted, and we're just going to go to the other half of the video, which was me showing coin market cap, which I am pleased to say it was 347 billion. It has now touched 350. That nice solid round number. Keep going, baby. 375, 400. Go, baby, go. So again, we'll refresh this just since it's been a little bit. Kind of go over some of these coins like Monaco. This thing hasn't been anywhere really recently. Not like this. I mean, you can see this big run up and then boop, sell off. Pump, dump. Pundi X made a nice little run. Mithro, Auger, Wax. That was a trade call, as I said in the last video, going back a little while ago. And yeah, it needs to keep going a little bit. Let's take a little look. See, January. Where's that thing at? January was about $2.75. It's been as low as 12 and 13 cents. Throughout March, right? 12, 13 cents. Boom. 40 cents. That is literally 3 times your money plus just since March. But again, that means if you got in here, which is why we were saying, at least in the trade call groups or group, cost average down. Some of these trade calls, guys, they're going to be good calls. You're just going to have to wait a little longer now. Cost average down. So if anyone was in, and I'm not sure when this call came out, honestly, I'm not even going to pull up and look, but it's probably in January at some point, obviously. Cost average down, boom, you don't have to go up nearly as high, but that was one. It's, again, for the right reason. Wax is going to go back up. Point of me telling you this. Bitcoin private, I never bothered with that thing. I had a few people ask. And as you can see, pump, dump, pump, dump, pump. Is it about to dump? Who knows? $904,000 volume. Or something like this. Not feeling it, my friends. Not feeling it. Basic attention token. Is that pretty nice? I just heard, I thought about doing a video about it, and I was like, I'm not just going to do a video solely about that one. I just didn't feel like it. But since I'm redoing this video anyways, I'll go ahead and mention it now. BAT, basic attention token, is they've signed some kind of deal or partnered with the Dow Jones Group. And remember, this has to do with the advertising space as well. So the other thing I think I talked about was 10x pay token. How this thing was like just over $1 the other day when I was telling y'all, like it stood out to me, and I'm like, guys, this is so cheap. Now I'm gonna say, hold on, because I've got him telling me it's in their videos on their website. They aren't marketing it, but it shows it in their video. Let's go look at this together. Demo videos. One, two. Let's quickly watch, or maybe I should pause this for you. How long is this? 3 minutes. Yeah. Hang on. Let's see. So I found this. I found one interesting video. It's number 2. If you just go to t0.com, it's the second video. There's this first one up here, and then the second one under that one. DLR software. T0's DLR software has been designed to make securities lending activities of our licensees compliant. Hang on. They look up a transaction on the FLO network at 1 minute 25 seconds. More transparent, more efficient from both a cost and operational perspective. This can help existing market participants improve their workflow while allowing new types of customers to participate. So he kind of gives this example, and you'll see he pulls up a transaction that's listed on the FLO blockchain. So let's watch this.
A DLR auction will be triggered daily at 8:30 a.m. Eastern, and highest bids will receive locates for their exclusive use that trading day. Now, we'll look up the details of DLR executions as the software reports to the blockchain. Here, you can see a short seller's purchase of 1,000 DLRs at spot 001 for symbol ALJJ.DLR.
So you'll notice they're on the Florincoin Block Explorer, but this is not a flowing. I mean, it says here amount of flow, 45. So was this a transaction on the Florin blockchain? Like in that, I don't know, because he didn't buy flow coins. Like if you look back, let's say chain is the public Florin coin flow, blockchain transmit data, detailed order history, ALJJDLR. So I don't know what this is. Status, fill price, quantity shares, 1,000. Order ID. Identifier ALJJ.DLR. So I'm not really sure if that means, I don't think this means that Florincoin is integrated with T0, that T0 is using their actual blockchain for everything. I don't know. I've got somebody else who I'm texting right now whose family I don't know. So I removed the video just in case, because I don't want to have everyone flooding into Flowcoin all of a sudden because they think there's this huge deal with Overstock and T0 and Flowcoin. They've just signed this agreement to use the Flowcoin blockchain or something. That's not what it was about. But I see, and I asked the guy originally, well, where did you see this? I can't find anything. He goes, it was on one of their videos on their homepage on T0. So I went over to here where I'm showing you right now, and they're showing this buy and sell order, whatever this order history. But again, symbol is ALJJ.DLR. Quantity looks like 1,000. Average price 001, so less than a penny. And if this was Flowcoin or anything to do with Flowcoin, why would the symbol show this ALJJ.DLR?
Now, we'll look up the details of DLR executions.
See, DLR, we're going to look up the details of DLR executions, he says,
as the software reports to the blockchain. Here, you can see a short seller's purchase of 1,000 DLRs at
1,000 DLRs, the price of 001. Yet this is being looked up on the FLO or Florincoin blockchain.
Spot 001 for symbol ALJJ.DLR. You can view transaction details on the platform and also confirm details using a third-party blockchain explorer.
Third-party blockchain explorer, I'm assuming such as the one we're looking at right now, Florincoin. And down here you can see, I mean, this definitely happened on the Florincoin system, but I still don't understand what we're looking at.
Shares are decremented from the broker's available inventory in real time. This, coupled with the recording of DLRs onto the blockchain, guarantees that the underlying shares cannot be overlocated. The blockchain integration provides transparency and immutability to lenders, short sellers, and regulators. This concludes the demonstration of T0's DLR software.
DLR, so a digital locate receipt. I mean, was someone trying to buy FLOcoin or sell FLOcoin and they had to use this system to go locate it, and the system went out, made the purchase, and then maybe that's what this is about. Maybe that's what we're looking at. Not that it's using the FLOcoin blockchain, period. Just that a transaction where that weird DL whatever DLR address or a symbol represented some FLOcoin somewhere that their system went out and found and made the purchase and brought it back for you. I'm not really sure, but interesting. Out of all the tons of different crypto, FLOcoin was chosen when almost nobody knows about it. So anyways, I felt like I need to get rid of that video just because I'm not 100% sure what's happening, and want to redo it, kind of a thing, just so we have a little bit different view on that. I don't want to get people all psyched up if it doesn't need to be, at least not yet. But the thing remains with that guy from January and February that gave me Florincoin and triggers. He picked some interesting dates that happened exactly as he said, and the markets rallied on the exact dates he gave, and said later on Florincoin and triggers, which is TRIG, he felt would be good coins, psychically or whatever. So I thought we had just a tiger by the tail here with this whole thing, but maybe we do. It's just not yet. But anyways, I had to remove that old video and just kind of redo it. So this is the redo. Take care.